Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara. In today's video, we are going to be working on cleaning up my double wide mobile home. Say hi, Silas. He's missed you guys. Anyways, we have a mess here, as you can see. So we're just going to be going through cleaning up. We've been really busy, as always. I always tell y'all I'm super busy, but I really am. But I wanted to make time so I can make a video and so I could get my house clean. Yeah, we went to Crumble. Do y'all like their cookies? Obviously we do. They are so good. But yeah, we have a mess. I'm going to be cleaning my living room and this little entranceway. Then we're going to be making our way over into the kitchen. We're going to work on the dining room. Just freshen up, make it feel a lot cleaner in here. So let's get started. Just going to start here by doing a little once over, showing you how messy it is. This is a 4-bedroom double wide. We've been here for a couple years. We bought it, I think it's been 3 years since we bought the house, but we've been going through and doing little DIYs. So make sure you go back and watch some of our previous videos. We got these brownies at Sam's Club. Oh my gosh, triple chocolate. I've been nibbling on them this morning. They are delicious. Yeah, so there goes my Weight Watchers. But anyway, again, we're just going through doing some makeovers in our house, but today I just decided to clean for y'all. We're going to start off here in the entryway. So I moved the little hutch that was here. I got it over in the corner that I got from Walmart.com. It was just kind of too bulky. When you walk in, it was the first thing you see. So I added this little basket, but I do have plans for this little spot. Just waiting to find the right piece. I already know what I'm looking for, but I just haven't found one yet. But yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm not going to tell y'all yet because I want it to be a surprise. It's going to be really pretty when I do find the right one, and hopefully it won't be so bulky. But I actually like that hutch over in the corner better. I think it just looks so pretty. I'm going to try to figure out some lighting for it because you'll see here in a little bit. It's kind of dark, but there's no lights in it. I wish that they would have made it with the lights. That would have been so pretty. But there it is. See how it's so dark, but it's still so pretty. But anyway, we're going to try to do a DIY on that and get some lights in there. I think that'd be really gorgeous.
I don't know if you can see the bad things you do, and I'm losing every piece of respect for you. Yeah, you can make me laugh and cry just by being around. into my life. And with that bedhead, you keep me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the hum of the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're loving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more.
Whenever anyone comes to my house, they always compliment how good it smells, and I gotta give credit to this company, even though I don't really care for them because they were kind of rude to me after they wanted to work with me, and then they found out I lived in a mobile home. They turned me down. But anyway, that's okay. The product is great. This is my Aroma 360. Also, it's called the Hotel Collection Diffuser. There's two different names, but you just put the oils in, and it'll start misting, and it makes your house smell great. So if you want your house to smell great, go try one of these. You can buy them used on like Mercari or Amazon. Also, I've came across these candles from Walmart, Goose Creek. Oh, Bath and Body Works, you better watch out. Goose Creek's coming for you. These are great. Guys, if you're in Target and you run across this marble bookshelf lamp, please grab me one. I need another one for the other side, but I had to pay up for this a little bit on eBay because all the ones in Target are sold out. It went viral. It's the marble bookshelf lamp. I think it's from Joanna Gaines. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, I need another one for over here, but I'm just going to wait and see if I can find one in store.
I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. 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 If I could live all my life tonight, we're loving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. I wanna stay by your side. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I want you more than money. I wanna float on downstream, go and find my wild dreams. Yeah, I'd kill to feel it all shake. You like a twisted mind game. I'll be burned by your flame. Oh, ups and downs, no in betweens. Fire and ice, burn gasoline. You know I love it. You know I love it. Love and hate, romantic sin. Fire and ice, gone with the wind. You know I love it. We're the kind, burning blind. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. Northern lights, roaring skies. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. We're breaking all the laws of our universe. Don't break my heart, just break free. Just let me see your bad streaks. Maybe they'll match my freaks, yeah. I'd kill to see the stars cry. Roam in the dark while love hide. Let the world know you're mine. Oh, ups and downs, no in
Okay, guys, so that's going to sum it up for today's video. Hope I was able to give y'all a little bit of motivation to get cleaning around your house. Also, stay tuned because we have a lot of new videos coming up. We've been working on some stuff around here. We have a backyard makeover coming up. We have some more inside makeovers. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in just a few days. Bye.